Hey, this is Julie and J Auto Trading Strategies. I forgot that this was a holiday week, duh, and that the EIA report is going to be on Thursday. So there's not the market volatility that I expected to see in the market today. It's being contained. We do have a weekly daily 60-15 all in the red, and we can see the trend is clearly down, and it looks like possibly a continuation of this measured move. So we could expect some additional downside movement off of this. So I'm looking for where my markers are, and I have 45.85. Down here is a potential target. We're currently trading at 46.13. And I wanted to show you how I use the volume metro ladder to help me make a decision on whether to take a trade short or not. And I use this commitment of traders. Now it's evening out, 64.61. Now the sellers just took control of this bar, 68.56, 69.56. So if I see some red numbers on this left side that are bold and highlighted, I'm more apt to hit my sell button to take this flush down. So this is the GOMI volume Metro volume ladder version 3. I use I put my market profile indicators on here. It's coming up to the value low, as you see, at 46.21. And now the buyers have retaken control over this bar. So if you're wondering how to use the tools together, even though we have a clear downtrend, this is not the time to be entering a short. Wait for the sellers to take back over, and that will either occur at a VWAP, prior close, 20 moving average, or your prior open. So now it just hit the bottom of the value area low and has stalled here. So that what I'm trying to show you is that the algos are tied to these indicator levels. There's only so many levels that we can use each day in our trading decisions. You see that the delta volume is picking up here. So it looks like price is wanting to punch back up inside of the value area. There's 4 stacked levels. We have a previous open, 20 EMA, a previous close, and a previous VWAP, all right here. So this would be a location that I would want to see price bounce off of. Unless this right here, these 5 stack numbers provided that trade entry already. Which it might have. And it looks like it's going to flush down. But whether it's a hard flush or a stalled flush, you can put your stop behind this number here, because theoretically, if this was a hard flush, I would have seen a bunch of sellers entering the market on my time and sales, and that's not happening. So I'm imagining that the algos, well, there's some sellers, but that's what you have to do. You have to find a trade location, and for me, it's at a support or resistance area, not in the middle of a chart and not in the middle of a momentum. I have learned that price always retests, not always, but a lot of the time will retest a support resistance area and then provide a trade location for you, as you see the buyers coming into the market here. So use your ladder, use your time and sales, use your indicators, know that you're going short, wait for a pullback area, and then hit it short once the indicators show that the sellers are stepping back in the market using several of these tools, commitment of trader, time and sells. I don't use my DOM. I use the chart trader. So when I enter a trade, I just don't. The DOM is another component of this. I just prefer not to use the DOM. I use the chart. So whatever your style of trading, you might add a DOM to your setup. So there you go, incorporating the various tools to make a trading decision. Thank you.